Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we are showing you a chess clock. So this is a chess clock and game timer. Show you guys what you get inside the box. So this is it by Xflyee. Plus, minus, play, pause, back, settings. We lift this up here. Underneath it, you have your on and off button. You have your chess clock. So for different things, it has different times and settings. It goes over a bunch of different things. They also do provide you with a manual, so make sure you check out your manual. But overall, it's really nice, lightweight. Pop this open. We see that they provide batteries. You just got to take the plastic off. And if these batteries ever die, they are AA. And you only need 2 of them. So, this is what it looks like, guys.